Now to an I-team follow-through. Gerald Declan Radford is the suspect charged with the murder of a gay man at a Tampa dog park earlier this year. The case is scheduled to have a stand your ground hearing next week. It comes after Radford's attorney filed a motion for his pretrial release. I-team investigator Adam Walser breaks down the latest in this case that got national attention.
Gerald Declan Radford, who goes by Deck, has been held without bond in the Hillsborough County Jail since March. He fatally shot Walt Lay at West Dog Park February 2nd and was charged a month later with second-degree murder.
There was a bit of an incident between Deck and myself this morning.
Witnesses said before the shooting, Walt complained that Deck harassed him because he was gay.
Did you hear him yelling at Walt?
Yes.
What did he say?
Here comes the
Mr. Radford stated that he did, in fact, on multiple occasions in the past, use derogatory language towards the victim's sexual orientation.
Walt texted a selfie video to a friend the day before he was shot, saying Deck threatened him.
So this morning, while I'm walking, we're the only two here, and he comes up to me and screams at me, "You're gonna die. You're gonna die."
After the shooting, Radford told deputies Lay attacked him with a coffee mug. Radford texted this photo after the shooting showing injuries to his face, writing, quote, "Walt attacked me at the park and I had to defend myself." We caught up with Deck near his home before he was arrested.
Can you talk to us about what happened in the park, sir?
The evidence is consistent with what Mr. Radford told law enforcement the entire time.
Attorney Matthew Futch filed a motion last week asking the judge to release Radford based on text messages from Lay, his defense team, recently discovered in evidence. They involve texts to Sue Jones Lay sent hours before the shooting, which the motion says, quote, corroborate Mr. Radford's claim of self-defense. Jones told us Walt contacted her when we interviewed her in February.
He called me on the phone and then he texted me and he said, "Sue, I'm really scared." He said, "Deck is just out of control."
Jones read us some of Walt's text.
"He's crazy. He doesn't have anywhere else to go. I'll keep you posted."
Walt also wrote what he planned to do if Deck confronted him.
I thought, if he blocks my path again, I'll try to tackle him. He's really older than he looks. He's weak and feeble. I'll keep you informed. This weekend should be drama.
Futch's motion says, quote, the newly discovered messages on Mr. Lay's phone can only lead to one conclusion, that Mr. Lay was looking to attack Mr. Radford. A stand your ground hearing is set for December 6th.
It's going to be a mini trial, just in front of a judge.
Attorney Jennifer Strove, who is not involved in the case, says if the judge determines Radford shot Lay in self-defense, the case will be dismissed. Currently, it's set for trial the week of January 6th.
Even if stand your ground doesn't work, you still have the right to try self-defense to a jury. And at that point, the state actually has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you weren't defending yourself.
Good girl.
I'm I-team investigator Adam Walser with photojournalist Matt McGlashan, taking action for you.